We have a problem in our yard. Our property is a muddy mess. So we have a lot of ruts and water and mess on our property that we need to address. We're gonna need some dirt work done, which means we need to get some equipment in here and move and smooth some dirt. We've been giving this a lot of thought, renting equipment or paying somebody to come in and smooth it all out. The problem is we have a lot of work to do. Not only do we want to smooth the property, we want to dig trenches, put in culverts, and even clear the woods of small trees. We also want to dig electrical trenches, water trenches, and do all kinds of work here. We're actually thinking about investing in our own equipment. And that's a huge investment. That's a crazy investment. But to be able to work at our own pace and do our own thing, because we know the vision, we know what we want, and it's going to be hard to...
It'll be like a long-term project, working on various things, and you don't want to keep having to rent a machine over and over and over again.
Yeah. And paying somebody would just be throwing money away. So we're going to go shopping for tractors today. We're going to look for some equipment and see what the prices are, and if it's in our budget to buy equipment, maybe a mini excavator or a backhoe or something. We're going to see what's out there. We're going to look at equipment today. So let's see what we can find, and we'll let you know how it goes. What's wrong, Ash?
Just taking the old things off.
Ashley, today is a big day. Do you know why?
Because we got something really exciting that I'm looking forward to using myself.
Yep. Now we have a big box down here and some other pieces. Let's go carry these out back and see what we can do. Okay, we cleared a spot right here. It's flat, it's level, looks good. Let's get putting this thing together. So far, we got the frame put together, and you guys can guess what it is. We bought a trampoline. This is gonna be so cool, so let's get it together. Right now, we're putting on the uprights for the cage. We got a safety net that's gonna go around. So far, we did this good, but we did it backwards. We're supposed to assemble it in a different order, so don't take this as a how-to video. At least we got it done. So let's finish up these uprights. All right, we did it, Ash.
Yay!
It's all done. Check it out. This is a 16-foot octagon trampoline. It's very well made. Made in the USA. Hard to find. But we found it. Paid a premium, right?
Yeah.
This is made by Magic Circle. And you guys are pretty excited to try it, aren't you?
Yeah. The best part of making the trampoline is testing it out.
So this is the door. And you can see this safety net is sewn right to the mat. There's no falling out of it, and it's very thick. I'm actually surprised how thick and durable it feels.
Yeah.
I can't wait to go in.
So, you're okay?
Yeah.
Just slide in there, Robert. Just walk right in.
Squeeze right through.
Yep. Squeeze into the spider web.
Go ahead. Keep going. So cute.
This is scary. Not so scary. This is fun. Where are you going?
The ground might not be perfect level, but it's hard to say.
Oh, this is weird.
Yeah.
Just squeeze in there, Ash.
Wow.
Can I come in now?
Okay. Wow.
Come in. Come on, Mommy. Mom, what? I don't Do it, Mommy. Do it. Do it, Mommy.
It's so scary when you jump a lot. It's been a long time since I've been on a trampoline.
Just keep an eye on Maverick, though. You don't want to step on him.
I'm flying inside the sky.
Maverick, why are you bouncing like popcorn?
I might go inside the sky, so I am not come back.
It's scary. Can you feel when I can bounce you up higher? Yeah, it's like I'm not even jumping, I'm just going into the air.
Do it.
We used to call it power bouncing.
The instructions say one person at a time.
Who cares about that? It's like sometimes I just collapse.
You need Mommy's help.
Can I try?
Yeah.
Stand on the edge. Both of you.
Let's see what will happen.
Can you do that? I'm gonna try that. Come here. I don't have enough time to sit.
Okay, so today was a cram-packed day. We went tractor shopping and put together a trampoline. Now, we'll get to the tractors, but first let's talk about this. This might not seem like a big deal, but this is probably, we'll say, a mini dream come true for you.
Yeah. When I was younger, I had a trampoline, and then I got rid of it, and then I wanted another one, and it's been a long time, like waiting for the right opportunity or time to get one.
Yeah, can I add to the story? Like,
Yeah.
For as long as I've known Ashley, which is a long time,
Yeah.
she has always talked about trampolines. She has always talked about how much fun she had growing up on a trampoline. You've always talked about it.
Yeah.
Telling her stories, her trampoline stories of how much fun it was. So
Me and my friend and cousin used to film ourselves with an old camcorder bouncing on the trampoline. And I actually still have those little cassette tape things that you put inside the VHS thing. Anyway. And it was just always a blast.
So I've known that Ashley has wanted a trampoline for so long, but we've never had a chance to get one because when we started out together, we were just broke. We were always in debt and we had no money. We made very little money.
There was no extra money to do anything fun
Yeah.
at all.
We worked on our houses and bought food and basically lived. We weren't good at spending money, so I'm sure we wasted a lot of money, but we were always poor, and so we never did it. As we grew and as we were able to save money and get on track and do better over the years, we found ourselves in this perpetual state of not feeling like we're happy with the house we're living in.
Yeah.
That's a big problem. You guys know that we've moved a couple times just trying to find the right property for us. And if you know you're moving, you don't want to buy a trampoline, set it up, and then...
They're so big and awkward and heavy, and you don't want to move with it.
So we've just been waiting. We've been putting it on hold. You know how you push it off, you push it off? Well, we're done pushing it off because we're finally at a place where we feel like we're going to be settling down for a while. This is not our forever home, so don't think that. We've said it many times, transitional home. We will move again.
But we know we pretty much will most likely stay in Florida.
Florida's the place to be,
Yeah.
I hope.
We love Florida.
Yeah, so point is, we said, let's do this, let's have some fun.
And Belle's at a good age for it, and Maverick's loving it.
It's
So
just one more thing we can do here to keep active.
it's actually really good exercise.
Yeah, we need that.
Yeah.
Believe it or not, we're out of shape. I know it looks like we're working so hard, but we're really weak and tired feeling because
Yeah.
the north will do that to you.
Yeah. When you sit inside for over half the year, it just wears your body down.
Yeah. So anyway, that's the story behind that. I wanted to make Ashley happy. I said, let's make it happen. Let's do the trampoline. Right now is the first time in our life where we're comfortable. We have the money to do it.
Yep.
We have the property to do it. There's nothing holding us back. So
Yeah.
we have to start living. Okay. Speaking of money, we went tractor shopping. I went to 4 different places today. 4 different equipment companies. They sell excavators and tractors and whatever. And I'm not really set on anything. Excavator, like I said, I was looking for a mini excavator, which I'm leaning towards, or some kind of tractor, backhoe, subcompact, something.
Yeah.
I looked at my options. I'm really leaning towards getting a mini excavator. I know it's crazy. It's a ton of money. That's kind of something that's outside of our budget. It's not, we can do it. We're just trying to be careful with our money, but the way we see it is, look at our property. It is a mess. We
Yeah.
could get so much work done so quick by having our own equipment, and they have a pretty good resale value.
Yeah.
We never feel like we have to hold on to something forever. So if we take care of it, we can do our work and we could always sell it later if we need to. But it gives us the luxury of working at our own pace, doing whatever we want, whenever we can, and not working around other people's schedules. Because when it's,
And we don't have to worry about breaking somebody else's equipment.
yeah, it's actually looking promising. I'll tell you the one that I'm really interested right now is the Caterpillar mini excavator. I think it's the 302. It's not very big, but it looked nice. I actually looked at it in person. It's a small one. I could get through the woods. I can dig trenches. I think I could do everything I want with it. We're not looking to dig massive holes or take down massive trees and stumps, so I don't need anything big. That's the one. So if anybody knows tractors, you want to let me know what you think. Caterpillar 302 mini excavator. That's what I'm looking at. I'm gonna get some more information and look around before I make a decision. Oh, it's going to be brand new, I think. I'm looking at used options, but we'll see where the prices come out.
Yeah.
One of the things I like about the excavators is they're on tracks.
Instead of wheels.
Yeah, a lot of the other tractors, like you see homesteaders buy with the bucket on the front, they're on wheels, and we have a very muddy property, and I feel like the tracks are a little bit nicer. And it's better for leveling and smoothing. And it's like, I know an excavator can't scoop, but we don't have a lot of scooping to do, I don't think. Just digging and pushing.
Yeah.
So we're just trying to give you guys the updates and keep you in the loop so you can know what's going on and what we're thinking. Because we know we have a lot of problems here that we got to fix, but we're going to keep working on it.
Yep.
So that's the update for now. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.
Wow. I wonder how high we would go if all three of us jumped at the same time.